Hello! Once again, I'm alone, but that's okay. Anyways, today's video we're going to talk about the appropriate behaviors to be used at an assembly. With a thumbs up if me and Brenden behaved appropriately. Thumbs down if we did not behave appropriately. And a thumbs to the side if you're just not sure how we behaved. Well, let's go to the videos. Get ready, these may come up quick. Brenden enters quickly and quietly. When given instructions, Brenden does not listen. Brenden is also yelling and interacting inappropriately. Brenden distracts others while the presenter or speaker is talking. Frank and Brenden keep their hands and feet to themselves. Brenden runs into the assembly and out of the assembly. Brenden waits to leave until he is dismissed. Frank and Brenden are attentive, quiet, and are staying seated. Wow, I know when I'm in an assembly, I behave the right way. How about you guys? Well anyways, this video is over, so the teacher's going to take over.